So what is a trend in valency seen? Within a period, as we move along the period from left to right, what happens to valency?
It decreases.
Along the period, Anisha? Your mic is not working. Unmute now. No. Select proper mic. If you keep on changing the mic, so accordingly you have to selection in that also you have to do properly. In Zoom, you have to select mic. No, not yet. Let's try again. Nishant, yes. Nishant, what is the trend seen in valency as we move along the period?
Ma'am, it first increases and then it decreases, ma'am.
So
First,
increases from where to where?
from first group to
So 1 to valency value.
valency value
Valency increases from
uh,
1 to 4.
to 4, ma'am.
Yes, you have to write that value. Valency increases from 1 to 4 and then
Decreases from 4 to 0.
0. So it decreases, then it decreases to 0. So valency first increases from 1 to 4 and then decreases to 0. And down the group, valency
And it remains same, ma'am.
valency remains same due to same number of valence electrons. Second is atomic radii. So atomic radius along the period as we move from left to right, Depriya, as we move from left to right, what happens to atomic radius? Depriya, are you there?
Mom,
Yes.
mom, as you move from left to right, the nucleus gains protons. So the atomic radius, it increases. No, it decreases.
It decreases. What is the reason?
Uh, Mom, when we move from left to right, the nucleus gains protons, mom. So that increases the positive charge of the nucleus, and and as a result, the valence electrons are held closer to the nucleus,
Yes.
and the
As we
atomic
move from left to right, the number of protons also increases and as well as number of electrons increases. Increase in electron takes place in the same shell and the number of proton increases. So due to which the more nuclear charge acting on the electrons. So electrons are pulled closer, which decreases the size of atom. And as we move down the group, what happens as we move down the group?
Increases because more
because shells will increase.
So as the number of shells increases, the atomic radius also keep on increasing. Now metallic characters. Saptashi, what do you mean by metallic characters?
Ma'am, electropositivity and electronegativity.
Metallic characters.
Characters. Ma'am, in the left there'll be metals and in the right non-metals.
Yes, but what do you mean by metallic characters?
Ma'am, whether the atom like gains electron or loses electron.
No, any one of them is possible. The same atom can't lose and can't gain. So what do you mean by metallic characters, Vishnu Maya?
Ma'am, it like decreases with the
No,
degree.
I'm asking only what do you mean by metallic characters? No idea. Raghav?
Tendency to lose electron to become positive ion or cation.
Tendency to lose electron and become positive. Excuse me. To become positively charged ion. That is called metallic characters. Because the atom which lose electrons, those only shows those are only metals because they show metallic properties. So metallic properties along the period as we move from left to right will increase or will decrease?
Decrease.
Will decrease.
Decrease.
Reason? When can you take pen from me? When
It's because
can you
of the force
snatch?
of attraction from the protons, ma'am.
If I'm holding the pen loosely, then you easily take out. But if I'm holding those pens with more force, then it will be difficult for you to take those pens. So that means along the period, what happens? The nuclear force of attraction increases, which decreases the tendency to lose electrons. Is that clear? So as we move along the period, the number of protons are keep on increasing, which increases the nuclear force of attraction, that is nuclear charge, and which ultimately hold the electron more strongly. So losing electron will be much more difficult. Down the group, the valence electrons' position from the center increases. So due to which the force of attraction from the center decreases. So losing electron will be easier. So as we move down the group, the tendency to lose electron increases. So therefore metallic characters increases down the group and decreases along the period. And what about non-metallic characters? That is electronegativity, property of or tendency to
Gain electrons and become negative.
tendency to gain electron and become negatively charged ion. So in which case it is easier and in which case it is difficult. When we move along the period from left to right, what happens?
Increase.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, now I can hear you.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So what happens along the period to gaining property? So what is important for gained electron? Yes. When the guest will stay in your house. When you keep stop talking to them. They will stay at home. Do they stay?
No, ma'am.
No. So what is needed? You have to keep forming bond with them, for giving them proper hospitality, comfortness, then only they will stay. The gained electron is a guest for that atom when it will remain stable. What it needs?
A more nuclear charge.
More nuclear charge, more force of attraction. So gained electron will remain stable, stick to that atom only when it will gain more force of attraction. So atom having more nuclear charge can gain electron easily. We know that is along the period nuclear charge increases. So therefore gaining electron tendency will keep on increasing. Clear? So as we move from left to right, sodium to chlorine, the property of gaining electron increases because the nuclear force of attraction keep on increasing. So when the central forces keep on increasing, so electrons if gained by an atom, if it gains any electron will be gained, then it will remain strongly attached to the nucleus of that atom. Clear? So hospitality by the nucleus is the nuclear force of attraction. Down the group, we are only checking down the group of non-metallic cases, that is 15, 16 and 17 group only, because there only has those only elements has the property of gaining. Other elements cannot gain. Only the elements present in the 15th group, 16th group and 17th group elements only can gain electrons. Now out of that, the maximum capacity is in the 17 group elements. So in the 17 group, what happens? Gaining property down the group, tendency to gain electrons down the group will increase or will decrease?
Decrease.
Or
Will
decrease.
keep on decreasing, because at the topmost, due to lesser size of an atom, the more force of attraction will be provided to the second shell elements, electron. So therefore nuclear force of attraction is more in the fluorine than chlorine. Chlorine can provide more nuclear charge as compared to bromine. So chlorine can easily gain electron as compared to bromine. Bromine can easily gain electron as compared to iodine. Okay, because of the nuclear charge keep on decreasing as we move down the group. Clear? And basicity and acidity. Along the period, basic properties decreases, acidic properties increases. Metallic side, on the metal side, first and second group, basic compounds, basic oxides or basicity keep on increasing. As metallic characters increases, basic properties keep on increasing down the group. And in non-metallic side, acidic properties keep on decreasing. Fluorine will form most acidic substance. Then chlorine. HF is more acidic as compared to HCl. Clear? So the questions based on this, first NCERT we will finish.
Ma'am, I actually have a few doubts in this chapter, like not from this and Mendeleev's and those things.
Yes.
Actually, he left gaps between the periodic table, right?
Yes.
How did he know that he has to leave gaps, and how did he know that in the future they'll find out more elements?
That was his achievement, how he has done that. So it's depending on the
So
masses,
is that a question?
difference in masses. Yeah. No, that was not a question. That was he has done it. We don't know how. We don't know how. He has
not
changed
there
the
as a
atomic
question
numbers
or
also.
something,
No, that will not come.
Okay. Ma'am, and one more thing, actually it's related to maths. I told you, right, we had a maths paper yesterday and there was a question of finding HCF. They did not directly ask, but there's the two tankers and all those things. But I knew that we have to find the HCF, and that lemma method is deleted right from the portions.
But if you do it, no problem.
So I thought if I do it, it'll be more time saving and it'll be easier also, other than the
That's not a problem if you do it. Because that method right now you are not learned. That method you have learned in class 6.
lemma method.
The division method of finding HCF.
Yeah.
That is not a new method for you people. It is in class 6, 5 also, 6 also.
Euclid's lemma we learned this only, right?
Yeah, Euclid's lemma you have learned this year, but the division method you have learned class 6.
Yes, ma'am.
So there's no problem if you solve with that method.
Okay.
Okay, so exercise questions. Which of the following statements is not a correct statement about the trends when going from left to right across the periods of periodic table? Elements becomes less metallic in nature. Yes, true or false?
True.
It's true. Metallic properties decreases along the period. The number of valence electrons increases.
True.
True. Number of valence electrons in, sorry, I was also. Number of valence electrons increases, that's right. The atoms lose their electrons more easily.
False.
False.
It's false. Number of valence electrons keep on increasing. That means they have to, if they want to lose, they have to lose more electrons, which is much more difficult. So this is the wrong statement. C is the wrong statement. Oxide becomes more acidic. That is also true. Element X forms a chloride with the formula XCl2, which is a solid with a high melting point. X would most likely to be in the same group of periodic table as. Which one?
Magnesium.
Magnesium.
Sodium.
Why sodium? XCl2 formula. So what is the valency of X? What is the valency of X? 2. Valency of X is 2. So which element has a valency 2? Magnesium. Magnesium has 2 valencies, so therefore magnesium is the answer. Which element has 2 shells, both of which are completely filled with electrons? 2 shells, that means K and L. K is also completely filled and
Neon.
8L is also completely
Helium?
filled. That means it
Neon.
is 8.
Neon.
So 28 is neon. Electronic configuration 282.
Magnesium.
Magnesium. A total 3 shells with 4 electrons in its valence shell. Total 3 shells and 4 electrons in the valence shell. So first shell
Aluminium.
has 2, 8 and
Silicon.
4
Silicon.
shells. Silicon. A total of 2 shells with 3 electrons in the valence shell. So 2 and 3.
Boron.
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 Boron. Twice as many electrons in its second shell as in its first shell. First shell has 2 electrons, twice in the second shell.
Carbon.
Carbon.
4, that is carbon. What property do all elements in the same column of the periodic table as boron have in common? What property
Similar
is
chemical
common?
properties.
Similar chemical property, okay. What property they have asked?
3 valence electrons.
They have 3 valence electrons, right? All of them have 3 valence electrons,
And
right?
their valency.
So valency is also 3. And that's it. They have same valence electrons and 3 valence electrons and 3 valency. All are electropositive. Then what property do all the elements in the same column of the periodic table as fluorine have in common?
Mom, it's the same thing.
Same thing, same valence electron, but how many? 7 valence electrons.
Six valence
They
electrons.
are halogens.
Equal to 1.
Valency 1. And valency 1 they have similar chemical properties, but that property that means a valency. And all of them form electronegative. All of them are electronegative. What is the atom has the electronic configuration 287. What is the atomic number of this element?
17.
17. To which of the following elements would it be chemically similar?
The second one. No.
Chemically similar.
Nitrogen, ma'am.
Why?
Mm,
When can we say the chemically they are similar? When we say that?
Valence
When they're
electrons.
the same group.
Group, but group we don't know. By knowing the electronic configuration, how can we say?
The last shell.
Yes?
Same valence.
Valence electron should be same. So which have the valence electron same as that of that? The
fluorine, ma'am.
fluorine. Fluorine has 2,7. So therefore fluorine and this compound is this element has a similar chemical properties. Yesterday we have seen this question. Position of these three elements A, B, C in the periodic table are as shown below. State whether A is a metal or a non-metal. A is metal or a non-metal?
Ma'am,
Some
it's a
non-metal.
non-metal.
It's a non-metal. Reason?
Ma'am, because its last shell has seven valence electrons, so which has 5, 6, 7 will be non-metal.
It has a property of gaining one electron.
Yeah.
So it will form electronegative element. So therefore it is non-metallic. State whether C is more reactive or less reactive than A.
Ma'am, C is more reactive.
Ma'am, it's less reactive.
Check the group number and reactivity. That means what is the reactivity here relation? What they do with electrons? They gain electrons. So gaining will be easier. Which one has the gaining easier?
C.
A, ma'am.
A will gain electron easily or C will gain electron
Ma'am,
easily?
C, ma'am, because its radius is larger.
Gaining property.
Ma'am, A has more nuclear charge, ma'am, so it will be.
Who is providing more hospitality? That is force of attraction. It's a group 17 element. Metallic, non-metallic characters decreases down the group. So A is more reactive than C.
Oh, ma'am. Okay, I meant to say C is less reactive.
Yes, C is less reactive than A. But with reason. Will C be larger or smaller in size than B?
Larger, ma'am.
Smaller.
Larger.
Why so confusion? I told you.
Ma'am,
Started here.
smaller.
What happens along this one? B and C are they are same group or same period they are?
Period. Got it.
Period. So along a period, what happens to atomic radius?
Decreases.
Decreases. So C will be
Smaller.
smaller than B. Which type of ion, cation or anion will be formed by element A?
It'll be
Anion, ma'am.
Anion. Anion. It will gain electrons, so it will form anion. How does the electronic configuration of an atom, nitrogen atomic number 7, phosphorus atomic number 15 belongs to group 15 of the periodic table. Write the electronic configuration of these two elements. Which of these is more electronegative and why? Electronic configuration, nitrogen
2,5.
2, 5 and phosphorus
285.
285, right? So which one is more electronegative?
Nitrogen, ma'am.
Reason?
And because nitrogen will provide more nuclear force to gain the electron.
Yes, both has to gain electrons. So therefore, who is providing more force of attraction will be more electronegative. It's clear? How does the electronic configuration of an atom relate to its position? Yes. This is a 3-mark question. 2 to 3 marks they have asked many times.
Mom,
You have to explain in detail. Yes, that's period number. How you'll, if a number is given, how you'll find out its position? What you will see?
Mom, the periodic number is equal to the number of shells.
Period number.
Yeah, period.
Period number is the number of shells. So first we will find out the electronic configuration. By knowing the number of shells, we will find out the period number. And by knowing the valence electron, we can decide
Group number.
group number. Clear? And with example, you can explain this.
Mom, how was this for 3 marks? It's just
Example, you can give it, no? So first write down period number.
okay, and then the group.
Group number, second point. Then third one is example. Clear? In a modern periodic table, calcium, atomic number 20, is surrounded by elements with atomic number 12, 19, 21, 38. Which of these have physical and chemical properties resembling calcium? Draw the electronic configuration and write their position around calcium.
Is it
All have
Is it
valence
12?
electrons.
is it 12 young?
Yeah, the 12.
12 only.
And 38.
38.
38 as well. 38 is below 20. Okay. So therefore, the calcium with atomic number 12 and 38 strontium have the similar physical and chemical properties. Compare and contrast the arrangement of elements in Mendeleev periodic table and the modern periodic table.
The Mendeleev periodic table was
Elements are placed according to
yeah, the elements are placed according to the atomic masses, whereas in this it was atomic number.
numbers. Yes, right.
And
In Mendeleev's periodic table, there are 7 groups.
6. 8 groups.
Okay, 8 groups and 6 periods. And
Yes,
in
right.
modern periodic table, there are 15 groups and 7.
15 groups.
15.
How
18.
many? 18 groups
Sorry.
and 7 periods. Then
Ma'am, there are no separate positions for isotopes of an element as their atomic masses are different in Mendeleev's, and in modern periodic table there are separate positions are not required as they have the same atomic numbers.
so they are placed at the same position. So
Yes, ma'am.
how are the limitations of Mendeleev has been removed or explained in the modern periodic table? That also can be one of the question. You know that is position of isotope. Position of isotope is one of the limitation in Mendeleev periodic table. In modern periodic table, all isotopes are placed at the same position because they have same atomic number. So the question solved. Second one, the position of that elements having the higher atomic mass number is written first and then the lower atomic number afterwards. So that is also removed by knowing their atomic numbers. So those elements which are placed to earlier, they have the lesser atomic number. So the position what Mendeleev has those elements placed, those were the proper positions.
Hydrogen will The position of hydrogen will remain same. Ma'am, because that was a drawback in Mendeleev's.
Yeah, so this one, hydrogen is placed both the places. In a first group also and in 17 group also, because it has a property similar to both.
Okay.
When a hydrogen lose one electron, it will behave like a metal, alkali metals. And when it gains one electron, it behaves like halogens. Okay. So no gaps are present in the modern periodic table, but the gaps are present in the Mendeleev's periodic table for undiscovered elements. Clear? Fine. Then next. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Click here. Up to which element the law of octave was found to be applicable?
Calcium.
Calcium.
Calcium. According to Mendeleev's periodic law, the elements were arranged in periodic table in the order of
Increasing
Increasing
order.
Increasing atomic masses.
increasing atomic masses. In Mendeleev's periodic table, gaps were left for the elements to be discovered later. Which of the following elements found a place in the periodic table?
Germanium.
Germanium. Germanium has a property similar to that of germanium. Similar to that of silicon.
What is it? Eka silicon.
Eka silicon. It is silicon. So the property similar to that of silicon. It is a semiconductor. Which of the following statements about the modern periodic table are incorrect?
Ma'am, nothing.
I know one is one and ma'am, is it T?
Ma'am, actually it should be only 1 and 2, right?
Yeah.
Read the third one properly.
Ma'am, it's B then. It's B.
Isotopes are placed in the adjoining groups in the periodic table. Are they in adjoining groups or at the same place?
So 3 is also false.
1, 2, 3 are
Yeah,
incorrect.
ma'am, 1, 2, 3.
Which of the following statements about the modern periodic table is correct?
Ma'am, C.
C, ma'am.
18 vertical
ma'am.
columns.
It has 18
Yeah.
vertical columns known as groups.
Groups.
Which of the given elements A, B, C, D, E with atomic numbers 2, 3, 7, 10, 30 respectively belong to the same period? So write down the electronic configuration and then find out.
Ma'am, for 30 we can just it just continues to 8, 8, 8 like that, right?
Yeah.
Ma'am, second option. Ma'am.
C. No. Same period.
Second option.
D. Second option. No, No, atomic number 2. That means it is in the first period. So BCD,
Ma'am,
right.
yes, ma'am. BCD only.
BCD 3, 7, 10. The elements A, B, C, D, E have atomic numbers 9, 11, 17, 12 and 13 respectively. Which pair of elements belongs to the same group? Same group. Electronic configuration only help you out.
What's the answer to this?
Sixth one is B, BCD.
C. Seventh one, C.
A and C. Okay, right. 9 fluorine, 17 chlorine. Where would you locate the element with electronic configuration 2, 8 in the periodic table?
Ma'am, in group 18.
Group 18.
Yes, ma'am. 18.
The element which is essential constituent of all organic compounds belongs to
And 14.
14.
14 group. That is carbon, essential constituent of all organic compounds. That is carbon. Carbon, group 14. Which of the following is outermost shell of elements of period 2?
L.
Period 2, shell 2. So outermost shell will be L.
L.
Which of the following elements exhibit maximum number of valence electrons? Maximum number of valence electrons.
Phosphorus.
And sodium.
Maximum valence electrons.
Phosphorus.
Sodium is 281. Aluminium is 283. 281. This is aluminium is 283. 284. 285. Phosphorus. Which of the following gives the correct increasing order of the atomic radii of OFN? Increasing order of atomic radii. From where to where it increase?
Ma'am, I didn't get the question. So can you just explain the question?
OFN are the three elements. Their atomic radii, increasing order of atomic radii you have to write.
Option D. FON.
Ma'am, it's O, F, and option A, right?
OFN, they are not in the
option
sequences.
D.
Ma'am, it's 8, 9, and 10, the atomic number.
Oh.
Or is it D, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, it's D.
EFON.
FON.
Along the period, the atomic radii decreases. So that means in reverse order it will increase. So come from last to first. So fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen, which is present on the rightmost corner.
Fluorine.
Fluorine. After that, before that, oxygen.
Oxygen.
And then
Oxygen,
before that, nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
So FON in increasing order. Which among the following element has the largest atomic radii?
Potassium.
Potassium. Along the period, the atomic radii decreases and down the group, atomic radius increases. So out of sodium and potassium, both are bigger. Sodium is bigger than magnesium and potassium is bigger than calcium. Now among sodium and potassium, you have to compare. So down the group, sodium is above, potassium is below. So down the group, atomic radii increases. So potassium is more larger. Which of the following element would lose an electron easily?
Potassium again.
Potassium, right. Which of the following element does not lose an electron easily?
Fluorine.
Fluorine. Fluorine has the property of gaining electrons. Which of the following are the characteristics of isotopes of an element?
D.
Yes, ma'am. It's 2 and
D.
4.
Same atomic number and same chemical properties. Arrange the following elements in order of their decreasing metallic characters. All these elements belongs to same group or same period?
Ma'am, is it option B?
Same period.
They belongs to same period. What happens to the metallic characters along the period?
Decreases.
Decreases. So arrow should be?
The second option.
So option 2 is right. Second option is right. Sodium is more metallic characters. Magnesium decreases. Aluminum decreases. Less. Least. Arrange the following elements in order of their increasing non-metallic characters.
Option B.
Option
Which type of oxide would eka aluminium forms? Aluminium valency?
3.
3.
So
So
A2O3.
eka aluminium also should be 3.
Option C.
Aluminium is oxide is? Oxide of aluminium? Formula?
Al2O3.
Al2O3. So it's the same thing. E2O3. 3 elements B, Si and G are. B is boron, Si is silicon and germanium. So these are, what are these? Metalloids. Which of the following elements will form an acidic oxide? Acidic oxides are formed by metal or a non-metal?
Ma'am, is it 7?
Acidic oxides, right? It is acidic oxides are formed by metal or a non-metal.
Non-metal.
Non-metal. So which of these is a non-metal?
Atomic number 7.
Atomic number 7. 3 is lithium, it's a metal. 12 is magnesium, metal. 19 is potassium, that is a metal. Metal forms basic oxides. The element with atomic number 14 is hard, forms acidic oxide and a covalent halide. To which following category does the element belong?
Ma'am, B metalloid.
forms acidic
It's
oxide and covalent
non-metal.
halide.
Non-metal.
Non-metal. Metalloids form amphoteric oxides. Which one of the following depict the correct representation of atomic radius of an atom?
The third figure.
Third figure, center of the nucleus to outermost shell distance. Two options.
And can it be first and third?
Man,
No.
isn't it 2 and 3? Because
2
the second
and
one has
3.
maybe one electron, first one.
Second and third. Here it is the electron present in the K shell. It don't have any electron in the L shell.
Oh, yeah.
So therefore, from here to the K shell distance is the radius. Which of the following does not increase while moving down the group?
Valence.
Valency. On moving from left to right in a period, in the periodic table, the size of atom, size of the atom decreases. Which of the following set of elements is written in order of their increasing metallic characters? Increasing metallic characters. Along the period, it decreases.
Man, E,
Down
M,
the
G,
group,
and C, A. Option A.
Option A.
Yes, ma'am.
Beryllium, magnesium, calcium. They are one below the other. So down the group, metallic characters increases. 27. The three elements A, B, and C with similar properties have atomic masses X, Y, Z respectively. The mass of Y is approximately equal to the average mass of X and Z. What is such an arrangement of elements called as?
Triad.
Triads, right? Give an example of such a set of elements.
Lithium, sodium, and potassium.
Yes, lithium, sodium, potassium. Lithium atomic number 7, sodium atomic number, atomic mass actually 23, and atomic mass of potassium it is 39. Elements have been arranged in following sequence on the basis of increasing atomic masses. Pick two set of elements which have the similar chemical properties. Yes.
Ma'am, first is sodium and potassium,
Yes, right.
and second is fluorine and chlorine, ma'am.
Fluorine, very good. Next one.
Mendeleev's law.
The given sequence represent which law of
Ma'am,
classification of elements?
Newland's octave.
Newland's octave, right. Every eighth element has a property similar to that of the first one. Can the following group of elements as classified as Doberener's triads? Possible?
The first one is a no.
First one, no. Second one,
Ma'am, I'm getting a point for difference. Is it okay?
that's fine.
Ma'am, then it's yes.
Yes, second one possible. Mendeleev's periodic table, the elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic masses. However, cobalt with atomic mass 58.93 AMU was placed before nickel having an atomic mass 58.71 AMU. Give reason for the same.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, because in Mendeleev's periodic table, elements are arranged in increasing order of the atomic masses, but then here, atomic mass, it's after one is lesser than the previous atomic mass, so it can't be.
So in Mendeleev's periodic table, these are placed to match with the chemical properties with the other elements of one group.
Yeah.
Hydrogen occupies a unique position in the modern periodic table. Justify the statement. I need to find out this proper answer for this. I will give you afterwards. Write the formulae of chlorides of Eka silicon and Eka aluminium. E word you can use it for Eka silicon. Chloride formula of Eka silicon. Formula for that you need the valency to form the compound. Write the element name, its valency below and cross multiply.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Ma'am, should we just write the real name of the thing like
No,
Eka
you can
silicon
take
is
any
Germany?
variable. Any variable you can take it.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so will it be just one?
Yes, what's the formula?
Is it X2Cl5?
Huh? 5 valency. Which element has 5 valency?
Eka silicon.
Eka silicon. Silicon has a 5 valency.
1 second. I'm sorry, 3 now.
Ah. Silicon.
And for Eka silicon, is it XCl2, ma'am?
No.
Ma'am, is it XCl4 and
XCl4, right?
YCl3?
YCl3. Okay, fine. So we'll stop here. Remaining how many questions are there? Many more. 44 questions. Okay, fine. So science, I'm not told tomorrow any test, right? But I've told.
Ma'am, I think you haven't told.